All right, folks, this is the 2025 Shelby Super Snake in ruby red metallic. This thing's making 785 horsepower, and we're gonna take it for a drive.
It's rapid red. It's rapid red.
I said rapid red, right?
He said ruby red.
I said ruby red.
Said ruby red.
It's rapid red.
Rapid red.
All right, folks, we're in it. 2025 F-150, well, Shelby F-150 Super Snake.
Super Snake, the lowered one.
Super
the fun
Snake.
one.
And this year
fun.
they're coming with about, oh, is this guy gonna go? They're coming with 10 more horsepower than last year?
Yeah, 785 now, as if 775 wasn't enough.
It just wasn't enough, you know?
You need the extra 10.
You need the extra 10. It's paramount. No, right off the bat, I mean, walking up to the truck, jaw dropping, striking, Shelby stripes. It's got like a GT500 Energy from like 2014.
Yeah.
In a pickup truck.
Yeah.
Like, I'd like to have one of these pull in my 2014 GT500.
Yeah.
And then you just shut down
every car show ever.
Yeah. It'd be the craziest, just pull up, you know. Dude, digital dash, heads-up display, everything Ford was knocking out of the park with almost 800 horsepower.
Yeah. So the Super Snake,
Yes.
different from all the other counterparts. I mean, hey, I'm not against off-roaders. I think they're cool. I've owned plenty of them. But there's something about a lower truck. And this features...
Yo!
Oh, this is fast. This is dangerously fast.
I just tipped in it. Just touched the gas.
These are so dangerously fast.
Whoa! That was great. You got to slow down when you get to...
When you enter the highway?
When you finally enter the highway. I mean, there's no point in just like cruising on the highway. You want to bop around town in this thing. I mean...
You want to go red light to red light.
Red light to red light.
Yeah. You want to put it in a 4 high, red light to red light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with highway comfortability. It's just that I want to accelerate.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was gonna say hit a pretty good bump back there. Considering how far this truck's been lowered, wildly comfortable.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a combo between the seats, but they collabed with who was it? RideTech?
RideTech and Fox. Yep.
And Fox, yeah.
That's who engineered the suspension, control arms, traction bars, adjustable coilovers.
Yeah, it all works together great. This is
adjustable coilovers. 6,000-pound truck, adjustable coilovers.
Yeah.
Sway bars, etc., but adjustable coilovers on a 6,000-pound truck. That works.
It works. The noises out of this thing is well, it makes it worth every single penny.
And this is a tame one.
This is a tame one.
You could always make it more rowdy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's big up Shelby. Thank you, Fox.
You know, they say that every vent in this thing is functional.
I mean, I can see down into, like, you can look into...
Oh, there's gaping holes,
yeah,
yes.
into the hood vent. It's like, okay, sweet. And I've got a feeling that, you know, come to a stop, this thing just throws all the heat right out of there. It's not...
There are...
Gosh, twin panel moonroof. I mean, they didn't sacrifice any of the OEM stuff. And what did this, what do these start off as?
They start off as a 502A Lariat.
Sweet.
So you get your heads-up display and all that, but I do think what Shelby does just takes it to the next level. You know, the biggest thing that a non-Raptor F-150 is missing is carbon fiber. Well, you're not missing any carbon fiber in this.
No, it's everywhere.
No, it's everywhere.
It's all over the place.
It's all over the place.
You know, we never turn test these lowered guys because...
I mean, they're sitting on massive wheels still nonetheless, you know?
Yeah, and...
Correct me if I'm wrong, Isaac, our editor. I think this is riding on 315s all the way around.
No.
Yeah, and it's a 22 by what, 11 and a half?
Well, that's...
Correction if I'm wrong. If you want to feel like a sports car, or you know, obviously a sports car is still going to be a sports car. You can't, you know, undefy physics.
Yeah.
But this is pretty darn close, and it feels really nice.
This checks a lot of boxes on a lot of lists. if you're looking at something, I would be like between like a GT500 and this truck. You know, if I would like it, you wouldn't be comparing it to other trucks, Raptors, things like that. That's just not its place. I think. I mean,
so it's more in the realm of a sports car.
it's more in the realm of a sports car.
When it comes to modified trucks, Shelby has and probably always will be the standard.
Yeah.
And there's a reason why they're so good. Or like the Porsche 911, you know, Porsche 911, great example of what it means to be the standard of a category.
Yes. All right, party people. That was a 2025 Shelby Super Snake.
And rapid red metallic.
Rapid red metallic. Go ahead.
It's fast, luxurious, comfortable. That's everything that you need.
That was exactly what I was going to say. Plus the noise. This thing is just silly to put the to put the pedal down on. It's now you got to wait a little bit when they're brand new, but it's still just nuts.
This is the standard.
Yes.
It's Shelby. It's the standard.
Thanks
and dare
for
I say?
Oh shit.
No, I'm going to say it.
You're going to say it? Don't say it.
I'm going to say it.
Oh no.
Look, Shelby Mustangs are wonderful. I've owned a couple. There's a little bit of that in this too. And for you doubters, go drive one.
Fair enough. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. It's got more vents.
And more vents.
And it's got more vents. And it's got more vents.
And it has a side vent for more heat extraction.
And we have more vents here.
Oh, yeah.
And we have some vents here.
And the cowl is also technically a vent. There's a lot of vents.
There's vents.
But, you know, it's a supercharged 5 liter. It's a supercharged 5 liter. So, it works. Oh, wow, that works.
Oh, yeah. It's hot.
Wow. Does these work? They do work.
It's venting.
Dude, functional vents everywhere.
It's got vents.
It's a Shelby. That's why everything's functional, right? Right. Now the real question is,
22-inch chrome wheels.
305s, all 4 quarter. Does this add downforce?
Yeah, technically. Yes. Well, not technically. Yes, it does. Yeah.
How fast do I gotta go for this?
No idea. I don't know if it's like a measured thing, but I mean, just anytime you're covering.
Well, that's true. We're covering the truck bed.
You're covering the truck bed, so I mean, like just
It's a lot
innately,
of
yes. And then that little ducktail there does something. We'd have to see the air off the back of the cab, but
It's locked. I wanted to open it, but it's locked.
yeah.